Your next car could be the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 150,000 miles on the odometer. The Chevrolet Traverse, the sleek and stylish midsize SUV that's loaded with creature comforts, smart cargo solutions, advanced safety features, and the capability to handle any adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: third row seat, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, remote engine start, heated mirrors, fog lamps, power liftgate, satellite radio, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera. Life can be complicated. Why not drive a vehicle that's got your back? Get into the Traverse and exhale.